and welcome to the channel. Today we will be talking about completing the square, which is a very important concept in AS level pure mathematics paper 1. And there always is a question about this concept, so it's very important to understand it because it's also a very easy concept to understand. So let's just understand why it's important to use completing the square as a method in mathematics to solve for x, and also why is this such an important concept in AS level maths. Alright, so what does this concept actually mean? So a quadratic can be expressed in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. Alright, and this needs to be converted into the form of d whole bracket x plus e's whole square plus f. Alright, and why do we do this? Well, if we achieve this, then we can find out the vertex of a graph, we can sketch the graph, we can solve for x, and we can do multiple other things. Alright, so the way to do this is that we basically will be discussing that through questions, and you can solve them simultaneously along the side, and if you have any doubts then you can probably just pause the video and watch it again. But the one important thing about this is that usually we solve quadratics by splitting the middle term. But what if the middle term cannot be split? Then we use other forms. We can use this, or we can use the quadratic formula to solve for x. But can we really sketch the graph by solving the quadratic formula? So that is why we always use completing the square to make it easier for us to sketch or to find out the vertex. Alright, so let's begin by using a question such as 2x squared plus 12x plus 11. So before we begin, I will be introducing two very important equations which you'll already know through your IGCSEs, but just in case you've forgotten. Alright, that is a plus b's whole square and a minus b's whole square. Alright, so a plus b's whole square can be written as a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b's whole square can be written as a square minus 2ab plus b square. So you can do this, you can also achieve this by solving this yourself. So you can write this as a minus b into a minus b, because that is what a minus b's whole square actually means. It means that you're multiplying the variable inside, or the expression inside, twice with itself, right? So that's how you get this, and this is achieved by multiplying a plus b into a plus b. Alright,